Big jump in the electricity bills. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the Prime Minister on his priorities now that his 100 days are gone.
A Primetime News series examining what children eat and the link to dangerous diseases.
More quarrels over Zikvi cleanup plan.
U.S. Embassy reacts to the massacre in Florida that left at least 49 people dead.
And in the business day, the latest on oil futures.
There is also a ray of hope, sports post commentary, and primetime weather in this package. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, the Holness administration has been in office beyond the symbolic 100-day timeline. What are your thoughts on its performance so far?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.